Hi, I'm Mario, and I don't want to go to Mars because I like Earth, and I don't think it's a very good idea because once you go, you're not going to be able to come all the way back. Well, you won't even be able to come back to Earth, and I have a lot of friends on Earth and family, and I don't think I'm really ready to leave them, and I haven't finished my life here on Earth, and I don't want to finish it on Mars, which is all the way up there, or there, somewhere around here in the sky. And um, on Mars, there's no things like that make you happy, like candy and stuff. So there's no candy on Mars. So you're not gonna be happy. And what if they don't have potato chips? You can't be a couch potato or TV. Sorry. And so Earth is a really nice place to be because it's got TV, happiness, family, candy, and potato chips. And so I don't think Mars is a good idea for me. Thank you.